As we age, it's natural to experience some changes in our lives. Our children may move out of the house, our careers may wind down, and we may have more time on our hands than ever before. They can be something that we've always wanted to try or something that we used to love doing but haven't had time for in years. Hobbies can provide us with a sense of accomplishment, satisfaction, and joy. And best of all, they don't have to cost us anything. Learning a new language is a great way to challenge your mind and keep your brain sharp as you age. Gardening is a great hobby for seniors because it provides a lot of physical and mental benefits. It's a great way to get some exercise, improve your mood, and reduce stress levels. Playing cards or board games is a great hobby for seniors because it provides both mental and social stimulation. It can help keep your mind sharp and improve your cognitive function, while also providing an opportunity to socialize and make new friends. There are many different games to choose from, so you can find one that suits your interests and skill level. If you don't know anyone who shares your interest in gaming, you can always join a local club or group. So if you're looking for a fun and engaging hobby, consider playing cards or board games. Gardening can also help you connect with nature and the environment around you. Plus, it's a great way to grow your own food or just enjoy the beauty of flowers and plants. If you don't have a green thumb, don't worry. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn how to garden successfully. Check out your local library or ask a friend who has a garden for advice. With a little time and effort, you'll be well on your way to creating the garden of your dreams. It can also help you stay connected to your cultural heritage or open up opportunities to connect with new cultures. Writing is a great hobby for seniors because it provides an outlet for creativity and self-expression. It can also help keep your mind sharp and improve your cognitive function. Writing can be done in a variety of forms, such as journaling, poetry, or short stories. And it doesn't require any special skills or training. All you need is a pen and paper or a computer. If you want to share your writing with others, there are many different communities and groups where you can get feedback and support from other writers. So if you've been thinking about starting a hobby, why not give writing a try? There are many different ways to learn a new language, so you can find what works best for you. You can take classes, work with a tutor. Bird watching is a great hobby for seniors because it provides a peaceful and relaxing activity that can be enjoyed in the comfort of your own home or while traveling. It can also help improve your mental health by providing a sense of calm and reducing stress levels. To get started with bird watching, all you really need is a pair of binoculars and a field guide to help identify different species of birds. You can also download a bird-watching app to help you keep track of the birds you've seen and learn more about them. So if you're looking for a relaxing and enjoyable hobby, consider giving bird-watching a try. Or even learn on your own using apps or online resources. The important thing is to find a method that you enjoy and that fits into your busy schedule. But with these changes can come feelings of loneliness, boredom, and a loss of purpose. That's where hobbies come in. Hobbies are activities that we enjoy doing in our leisure time. Volunteering is a great way to give back to your community and help others while also meeting new people and making new friends. There are many different organizations that need volunteers, so you can find something that interests you. It's a great way to stay busy and make a difference. You can volunteer at a local soup kitchen, animal shelter, or hospital. You can also mentor younger people or tutor students who need extra help in certain subjects. If you have any special skills or talents, you can use them to help others. For example, if you're good at fixing things, you could volunteer to help out at a local Habitat for Humanity chapter. If you love working with kids, you could volunteer to coach a youth sports team or help out at a summer camp. If you're a senior looking for ways to improve your mental health, here are 6 hobbies to consider. No. 1. Volunteering. No. 2. Learning a new language. No. 3. Gardening. Number 4. Writing. No. 5. Playing cards or board games. No. 6. Bird watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share for more content. Thanks for watching.